What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel World of Sailors. Now it's almost like 8 o'clock, and as I told you yesterday in my previous vlog that we are leaving at 8 o'clock to join the cruise ship. So let's get started. Thank you, sir. And here are lots of crews are waiting. So now the bus has arrived and we are moving towards port now. The port is not that far, it's like 20 to 30 minutes maximum. And let's see what happens after that. So might be there will be an immigration and there will be a documentation again. I don't know what time I'm going to reach inside the ship. But stay tuned. And it's time to go on a ship. Finally, the bus has arrived. And these all are crew members. You can see the buses over there. So approximately each bus have 50 crew members. So we are almost like 150 people. See now, this is the procedure. Hello Christina, how are you?
Hello, welcome on board
All
everyone.
good, thank you. So basically you can see this is the crew line. Okay, and from there we are going inside the port.
Thank you everyone.
Now they're gonna keep the luggage over here, they're gonna scan it and they're gonna send inside the ship directly. Thank you sir, thank you so much.
In your hands right now, passport, LOE, and the secret Korean stuff. Everybody here, please stay in the line. Stay in the line.
So now we are on the way for the immigration. So now we are entering inside the port. So this is how we have to follow the line. Okay, and the HR manager is in front of us. You can see over there, the first one. And so this is a disembarkation area. So when you guys are leaving the ship, you have to come down and you can collect your luggage from here, and you can take a taxi from here for the airport for rest of other things. Okay, and now we are moving ahead. We are going on the first floor. On the first floor, you can see the people are following the line. So there you have to do your immigration. And this is a Singapore port. The name is Marina Bay Cruise Center. And this is my document file. See, now we are moving towards the security. So we have a specific line over here for the crew member, those are signing on. So this is the line for the ship crew members. So now you can see that line, that guys, they are checking each and everyone's name and they're gonna let you go inside. So that side is your immigration, and we're gonna go enter inside, and we had to do a face-to-face immigration for first time. And remember that always you have to carry your passport when you're going outside in Singapore for get assured. And that's your security counter. Here we go. Now let's follow. You can see the board over here, Spectrum of the Seas. Hello sir, how are you? Sure. So now they're giving a two water bottle each and a cookie to just for a. Thank you, Bella.
Welcome. How are you?
All good, how are you?
Good, good.
So a one cookie and a bottle of water just to get refreshment. So here we're gonna wait for a while, and that counter is for the guest. So they're gonna go for a cruising. They have to check in over there. For us, it's over here. It's for your passports and everything. There they're gonna check your safety documents, and the third one is your safety documents. As I told you, I was at the other side over there. My friend is standing over there, so he has showed their passport and everything. And the next lady over here, she's checking your medical and other documents are valid or not. Over here, you have to show your medical, and here you have to show your safety documents, and then you have to wait for your immigration. This is some basic stuff. They have given me this envelope. In that my cabin number is mentioned, my position is mentioned. So basically inside I have my crew card, my safety card, and other documents. So this officer is standing over. He's an immigration officer. He's gonna check all the documents before we proceed to immigration. Okay. And finally, welcome to Singapore. Thank you, sir. That's my home for 9 months. Sorry, for 6 months. Thank you. So this is like an airport. Like we have a hangar, right? So this is a hangar to go inside the ship. So this video is gonna be big, I think so. So I will skip that in a two-part, or else the inside procedure after entering the ship, what you have to do, that I will show you in my next vlog. Okay. See this. Hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please share with your friends and family and keep tuning World of Sailors.